girls don't gatekeep vibe coding. This is going to be part 1 of how to get started with Claude Code for the girlies. This is not for anybody who is an engineer or super technical. This is for your average woman who is interested in learning the new technologies that are coming out but doesn't really know that much about how to use them. I'm just going to be sharing what I'm learning. I'm a marketing girly by day, so if I can do it, you can do it. Everybody should know these tools. They're going to be so important in the next 10 years plus. It's actually not nearly as difficult or intimidating as it's made out to be. I'm going to show you everything to get you started. If you haven't met me before, I'm Riley. I share educational videos about AI for women, use cases that are for the girlies based on, stuff that's happening in our lives that it's going to be most relevant for. Assuming that you're still watching this because you're like me and you're not an engineer, what you're going to do first is download Claude AI. It knows everything about how to use Claude Code for you, so it's going to be your personal assistant. Go to claude.ai and load it up on the web, and then you can also download it for Mac if you want. It's basically been my guide to getting set up and getting started because I can ask it everything. If I don't understand it, I can send it a screenshot of the Claude Code and ask what's going on. It's so helpful. It's like having your own software engineering assistant. We're going to start a chat with Claude AI, and I like to start out with a prompt that basically shares where you're at skill level wise and any ideas that you have on what you're looking to build. You might say, I'm looking to get started with Claude Code. I'm not an engineer. I don't have any software development background. That way it knows not to talk to you like you already understand these concepts, but more at a beginner level. If you have an idea of what you're looking to build, you could drop it there, but you could also say that I don't really know what I can use it for. I just want to learn, so maybe help suggest a project that I could start on. This is basically going to set up your working assistant to get you started with Claude Code. Next up, we're going to ask how you actually get Claude Code downloaded and running, because as a non-tech person, it's a little intimidating, but that'll be in part 2, so come back for the next one and make sure you follow for more. Bye.